All right, welcome to State Part 8. State Part 8. State Part 8 is actually a continuation of State Part 7. So we have an example here. In a class, 22 students take one or more of chemistry, economics, and government. 12 take economics. That means the number of students that are offering economics equals 12. 8 take government. Number of students that are offering government equals 8. And 7 take chemistry. Number of students that are offering chemistry, 7. Nobody takes economics and chemistry. That means there is no intersection between economics and chemistry. The intersection is equal to empty. The intersection is equal to empty. Nobody is offering the two, economics and chemistry. And 4 students take economics and government. Number of students offering economics and government equals, and 4 students takes economics and so equals 4. Using state notation, write down the two statements in the last sentence. That's the first question we have to answer. Using state notation, write down the two statements in the last sentence. These are the two statements. Well, these are the two statements. Nobody takes economics and chemistry. That means the intersection of economics and chemistry is equal to empty. That's it. And the second one is 4 students take economics and government. Economics and government equals 4. So that's the state notation for the last sentence. Then we move over to the next one. The next one is that draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. Now, you notice something in the question. We are going to have 3 circles. We are going to have 3 circles, but if you look at the question, you are told there is no intersection between E and C. So the 3 circles will look like this: 1, 2, and then 3. There is no intersection between E and C. So I can call this circle E, call this circle C. Then automatically this one becomes G. No intersection between circle E and circle C. All right. And now, circle E, we have 12 students offering, so meaning everything in this circle should be equal to 12. Circle G, everything in circle G should be equal to 8. And then circle C, everything in circle C should be equal to 7. Now, E and G equals 4. E and G, circle E and circle G equals 4. So this is 4, the intersection of the two circles. So if this is 4, it therefore means that this should be 8. And the question is why? Number of people or students offering economics equals 12, which means everything in the circle of E should be equal to 12. So if this place is 4, it's remaining 8, so that everything here will be 12. We have handled circle E. Now let's look at circle G and circle C. In the question, circle G, everything in circle G should be equal to circle G. Everything should be equal to 8. But we don't know the intersection between G and C, so I can call it X. The intersection of G and C, I can call it X. So if I call that X, the circle of C, everything in the circle of C should be 7. So if this is X, it therefore means that this remaining part is 7 minus X. Now we are left with only G. Okay? Now everything in the circle of G should be 8. So if you have removed 4. It therefore means that this remaining part should be 4. You have also removed x, then this remaining should be 4 minus x. That's the meaning. So that if you add everything here, it should give you 8. All right. Now we have handled draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information that has been taken care of. How many students take both chemistry and government, the intersection of G and C? This is it. How many students take both chemistry and government? All right. For us to answer that, that's it. For us to answer that, everything in this box equals the universal set, and that is 22. In a class, 22 students take one or more of those 3 subjects. So the universal set here is equal to 22, which therefore means that 8 plus 4 plus 4 minus x plus x plus 7 minus x should be equal to 22. If you add everything in this box, it should be equal to 22. That's the meaning. And so 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. Minus x plus x, that's 0. Minus x minus x is equal to 22. So if I move x over to this side and move 22 over to this side, I'll have 23 minus 22 is equal to x. So, therefore, we're asked to find those that offer both chemistry and government. Both the number of people offering both chemistry and government is equal to x is equal to 1. So that's equal to 1. Those that are offering the 2 subjects is equal to 1. So we move over to the last one. In the last one, we are asked to find those that offer government only. Government only. So you look at the diagram. Government only. Looking at this diagram, government only is 4 minus x. 4 minus x. So that is question B. Government only is equal to 4 minus x, and x is 1. Look at the diagram. Government only. This is it. Government only. 4 minus x. Economics only. 8. Chemistry only. 7 minus x. So government only 4 minus x. That gives us 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Alright, so with that, we have come to the end of this class. We have come to the end of this class. So please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, do well to click on the subscription button. Thanks and bye for now.